is my take on a spring theme using the Totally Dazzled colored stones. We're going to use the pretty pinks tonight. I may incorporate some of the purples. They're just really pretty. They're available in all different colors. So y'all go check. So I found this hat at Walmart. It's a pretty good substantial hat. I think it was $15.97. It comes with a couple of these, comes with this little tie, and then I think the other one's navy, so you can trade them out. But we're gonna take this off and we're gonna embellish this hat. Hey, Mary. But I have a different idea. We're gonna take this wide lace, okay? I'm gonna measure this out, and I'm gonna actually go longer than this. So let me get this measured out right quick. All right, let me get that out of the way. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just basically string this through like they had with the blue one. Kind of double it up here. And I'm just gonna, it'll be a wide band here on the front, and then y'all will see, I'll show you. Let me just get it started. Okay, finally y'all, got it. All right, so it's just threaded where it's gonna be right on the front. It's kind of hard to see in the camera, but you'll see where we're going with this. And then in the very back, we're gonna do that later because I wanna add some tulle, I think. Okay, y'all, here are the flowers I have to work with tonight. I already took them off their little stems. We're gonna use peonies, or peonies as some of you say. I always get told I say it wrong. And some roses. We're going to use different shades of pink. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and start gluing these on. We're going to start with this one, and my plan is, we're going to see, my plan is to put some bling not only in the center of these, but probably on the actual hat itself. Okay, we're going to use this beautiful pink flower. The ones that are more open, I'm going to try to put some. I got to watch my lace here. This is what we have so far. Just going around the hat. Just keep gluing and gluing. Now, I brought some of this little greenery in here that came off of some of these roses. I thought it might look good just to kind of add that to them. Alright y'all, this is what we have so far. Pretty easy, huh? This is what we have so far. We're fixing to come back around with another hot pink. Okay, let me look at it right quick from my view. See, light. Dark. Oh, that's gonna go out. That's gonna be good. Okay. Can y'all see that? Soft, but yet some little bit of punch of color in there. Let's do one more soft one. First, this is what we have here. And then I'll show you on the back side here in a minute what we're gonna do. I've got these little jewels here, these beautiful jewels I showed y'all, and I'm going to try to find some flowers that are open, like this white rose here. We're going to see how this works. That's so pretty. All right, we're going to go to the other side. Once we get this lace out of the way, y'all can really see. Okay, this is our first piece of bling inside there. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that is. Looks like just a beautiful prize. And then we've got one over here. Isn't that beautiful? Can y'all see that? I'm gonna look at it myself and see where we need another one. I'm gonna go ahead and use this purple one back here on this one. Not in all of them, just kind of a few. Okay, let me show y'all. We're still not done. So here we are. Oh my goodness. As you look in there, you can see those beautiful stones. Look at that. And then there's one more back here hiding. I love that purple. That really stands out. this is what I'm thinking. We're gonna get some tulle. I'll take this really pretty tulle. And we're gonna do it kind of backwards. I'm gonna put it on the bottom where this other's gonna be tied. I'm gonna move this forward right now so that I can work back here. We'll measure it first. Let's see how much we need. I think it'll just give it a little bit of something since it's white on white. I'm just gonna measure. We'll make it really long so I have plenty. And then we can cut away what we don't need. Tulle is one of the least expensive things you can use. I'm gonna go ahead and tie this into just a regular bow. And I'm gonna make it pretty big because it's gonna be underneath that lace and be layered. And I'll turn it around here in just a minute once I get it glued. Let me get my finger here, finger protector. I'm gonna glue it right in the center. I'm gonna do this little trick here because I figured I couldn't do both. So this is what we have so far. This is just a bunch of tulle that I've put on here to hang down, okay? So we're gonna layer it. So now I'm gonna take the lace that we've been waiting to tie. I'm gonna tie it, get the tulle out of the way. We'll cut it in a minute. Take this and I'm gonna tie it. It's just gonna be layered right on top of that tulle. Look how beautiful. Can y'all see the tulle layered up under that? It just gives it a little bit of softness with the lace. But we're not done yet. This was my idea. Let's see how this works. This really pretty piece right here is kind of oblong. I thought that would be really pretty on top of that bow. But I'm gonna have to hold it on for a while. And then we may end up going and adding. There's a piece under there. I guess it makes it tighten it for your head. We're gonna start at the front. I'm gonna show you all the little pieces, the little hidden gems, literally. Come back around. I gotta find them again because I gotta remember where I put them. Come back out on this side. Here's a little pretty pink one. And then back here we've got this beautiful purple one. And then the back of our hat we have the tulle and the lace with a beautiful piece of jewel on top of the bow. Isn't that pretty? Y'all, I love this hat. It turned out, I like how it turned out. You know, you always wonder when you come up with something how it's gonna do. You can add, you know what? I'm gonna do another pink one. Really, I did that backwards. It should be purple, pink purple. I'm gonna go ahead and put that other pink one in here. Let me show y'all a trick. I've shown people this. I don't know if y'all have seen it or not, but if you keep a little paintbrush in your caddy, then anytime you have these awful glue strings, it's perfect. It takes them out of everything. So, what do y'all think, you guys? That is it. Got this hanging on for dear life over here. Okay, one more time around. There's the bling peeking out. And y'all, it's just some Dollar Tree petals, flowers that I took off their stems and embellished some of the middles there. And then we've got the back with that stunning, look how expensive this hat looks because of those beautiful Totally Dazzled pieces from Walmart, y'all. Nobody would know.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.